it in the fridge. I don't know. How? Open the door and put it in. How do you put a giraffe in the fridge? Open the door and put it in. Open the door, take the elephant out, and then put the giraffe in. So if Lucy was having an animal party, which animal would be missing? No, what? Giraffe, because it was in the fridge.